Hello, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me today. And this is that custom video that we were speaking about. I'm just going to show you some tips that you can start applying today that's going to help you with ranking and getting more of those organic leads, okay? So here we are on your website. Okay. Water damage restoration. Okay. All right. So let's see, service area based in Durham and serve clients across the Triangle area. So, okay. So, let's see. We got hair services. Okay, so you got a variety of different services. Okay, so here's the thing. Um, Google wants to see content. In ranking websites, content is key. That is all of this written content. The content needs to be focused around your keywords, which are the words that people are actively searching in your service area for your services. They probably won't know the name of your company, but they will know the service that they need, especially when they have basements flooding or roofs caving in or whatever that's causing this damage. So, because most of your services are on an emergency basis, it's even more critical that you have your content and keywords so Google can put you in front of those customers in those emergencies. And the rule of thumb is that your homepage should have a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words of content focused on those local buyer intent keywords. Um, and that breaks down to about 150 words for every keyword you're trying to target. Your services each need to have their own individual pages, and each of your service areas, every single town that you service that has any search volume needs their own as well, so that it can have its own content and keywords so that you can be found in each of those areas in an emergency. Um, this is your top competitor. Now they may have a larger service area than you do. But here you can see that they have a separate page for every single one of those communities they service, as well as different pages for every type of service. So in order to beat a company like Carolina Water, you're going to need a lot more pages, and you're going to have to work on your content and your keyword strategies. You can see they're using those keywords. They have hyperlinks between their pages with their keywords. And all of this stuff is really important for Google to identify those keywords and to be able to rank you for them. So you're definitely going to need to work on your content and keywords. This is a program we use called Ahrefs that helps us to analyze how your website is performing. And as you can see, your website is a 0 out of 100 in Google's trust flow, which means that Google doesn't have any trust in your website. And that is 100% because of your referring domains and backlinks. You need to have a lot of backlinks And not all backlinks are created equal. So you need high authority backlinks that are related to the services that you provide. Because you don't have very much content, Google's only indexed you for 3 keywords, and so you're not seeing any traffic to your website. If we look at your competitor, they have a rating of a 27, and that's because they have over 1,000 different backlinks. So in order to beat them, you would also have to have more backlinks than your competitor. And because they're not of equal value, you need to have higher, more authority backlinks. Because they have a lot more pages, they've been indexed for over 1,100 keywords, and they're seeing over 1,100 people to their website every month. So as you can see, you're missing out on thousands in possible traffic that could be landing on your website and converting into sales. Now, real quick, a backlink. Sorry about that. Okay, so what a backlink is, it's when one website links to your website and then drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. The more relevant this website is that links to your website, the more authority it gives you and the more power it gives you. But those high authority websites must be do follows and not no follows. Do follows will actually share the power of those sites with you and help you to rank faster. And your backlinks need to be closely tied to the keywords you're trying to rank for. They all work hand in hand together, so it's really important to work on those strategies together. And the last thing to talk about is this Google My Business or Google Map Pack area. Your goal should be to be in the number 3 of this section for each of your service areas and keywords that you're trying to rank for, because 30% of people come straight to the maps and don't go any further, while the other 70% land on your website. So in order to get in this top 3 and maintain this spot, you need citations. Citations is the name of your business, your address and phone number and website, and having those listed in a variety of places like Yellow Pages, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. And you need a lot more of those citations than your top competitors in each of your service areas. And if you follow these tips that I've provided you today, your website can become number 1 across Google for your keywords and your services and service areas. Thank you so much for watching this video. The purpose is purely educational, but if you do need help getting some of this stuff done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.